it. So you're playing with slime
today.
How did it break? Well, now we split it in half.
Okay, I got this. I can put it out. Okay, now sit down. We're at my house today. Not his.
We're always at my house.
Yeah. So.
I don't call me.
She is. Okay, go. Just pretend you didn't bring your phone out.
Okay.
Or over here. Just go. Okay, put these slimes together. So you're talking to me. Oh, okay.
I said I'm playing with you.
Okay. Oh, you. Put it back together. Okay. I'm giving you a little bit so it doesn't all stick to your hands.
Who cares?
I'm just gonna get all blue. We're like we're the same color of blue.
Actually, yeah, we are.
So guys, I made this slime.
How are you making it stick to the table and do that thing?
What?
A bubble. You have to like flatten it out.
I put pink slime in magnetic slime because it was magnetic slime, and I put pink slime in it, so I ruined it. That's why it's purple. It seriously was the color of a magnet, like of the silver magnets. I'm doing the Insta now. We should do a video of us making slime.
That would be fun.
Do you have glue?
No.
I don't.
Yes.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
You should get it. Then we can make it, because I have Tide activator.
Oh! That was so... I actually made a bubble.
Yeah, and then mine too. Okay, don't... Sorry, guys. He's a dummy.
I am dummy.
Like, put it down. Oh, you know, tiny bit. There we go. Now I'm going on my knees because and now I can, great. I can make a bubble, finally.
I never made a bubble yet.
Oh, I did make a bubble.
What? How are you making a bubble?
Because I know how. Look. Go get your glue.
I was kidding, I don't have glue. I have the purple glue. That's the glue stick.
Glue stick?
Yeah.
Oh, that won't work. Let me look up how to make glue with a glue stick. I mean, slime with a glue stick. I've made it before.
Oh, look at how big it is.
Yeah.
That was huge. Remember when you said I'm a dummy?
Well, I was gonna make a bubble with it.
Let's see who can make the biggest bubble.
Okay.
Probably me. Oh! That thing was huge.
Not really.
How was that not big? That was like huge. Whoa!
I think I made the biggest one.
Good job. Well,
doesn't even stick to me.
What?
It was a way bigger slime, but then I kind of gave some to my sisters. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, it would have been big.
If you actually made that, I would cry. I can't. Oh, did it just go for
It just sticks to your hands too much.
I know, because my hands are not warm. Where?
She was pulling in. Oh! That was a giant bubble, guys. Did you see that? But then it popped right when it was going to last.
Ooh, that was good.
I think that was your mom. Go see.
No, when she said my name earlier, she said, "What are you doing?" And I said, "Playing with Chloe."
Should have said talking to Chloe, because then she's gonna tell my mom. Guys, isn't that big?
No.
So,
No, because you didn't even make one.
I made two.
You made 5. In your whole entire life. Love you. Get off.
My whole entire life, really. I was like the first one out of both of us to make slime.
Oh!
The camera can't even see you. You're slime.
What's up, guys? I cannot make this slime. I mean, bubble.
Okay, watch out.
Oh, holy crud. Oh my god!
But it has good pops. Okay, it's starting to dry out, so we should probably put it away.
Mine isn't.
Oh, I feel it. Wait. Yeah, it's hard to push. That was her again. She's like, bam.
Oh, this thing's huge. Whoa!
You should see if you can go to Casey's and get something for us.
No.
Did she need you? No?
Where's Lyman?
Not here. He's at my grandma's. Okay.
Oh! JoJo's?
No. Oh! What? I can actually make bubbles.
For the people that watch these videos, thank you so much for subscribing. Now I don't know. I haven't checked for a long time, but subscribers. And
I have a lot of subscribers on my channel, but I'm grounded. So I can't do anything.
Why are you grounded?
Don't know. Like, seriously, don't know. But right now, well, that's just ripped. That's how you know it's dry. Let's just put it away for a little bit.
Okay, you go put it away. I'll talk to the people.
Oh, stick everything.
I want to make a huge bubble.
Like you can. I'll make a huge bubble.
Hold up. I'm not done. Did I just say I'm not done?
Yeah.
What?
Here, wait.
No, I want to try one more time.
Let me see if you can even make a big bubble. Yeah, you probably could. It's your last time. If you don't make it, no more times. Okay.
That was... Please.
I need to put it away before it dries out, and you can't play with it ever again. Okay, wait. Let me make this big bubble. I actually know how to make one.
Holy crud. Oh! I want to try, please.
Fine, one more time.
Do you hear the sound?
Yeah, that's because you make bubbles. I mean, I make bubbles. But I don't think we'll be able to make this. Do you think you will?
Hey, can I get a retry?
Fine, one more. This is your last time, though.
Oh, I kind of did.
You made us bubble. I mean, okay, now put it in. Here, put it on.
I would have to hide.
Or you would have just went out my back door. I didn't even try to make a bubble.
Okay, go get different slime.
I don't have any more. I put 3 of them together. And it strings.
I want to do one here. This just one more, but I haven't made a big bubble.
Because you don't know how to make a bubble.
Yes, I do. Really, watch. Really?
I'll hold mine and then I'll do it.
What? How do you do it? I want you to teach me.
Okay. All you do is, okay, you can do 2 ways. One easy way and one hard way. The hard ways might be easy for you. So sometimes, this is how I learned. Grabbed it from this side, stretched it out, and went like that. And you have to go fast. And actually, wait, this is how I learned. The way that I've been doing it. Okay, so go like this. Out slow. Out slow. Then you get like all the holes out. Then you go fast.
Oh.
And then really fast. Okay. Oh, well, there's a big hole right here. It kept falling apart. You gotta like stretch it out. Like gotta stick it to the table like that. And then pull it a little out. And just go like this. You don't need it a lot. Just that. Like that. And then go fast.
Oh, look at how big it went in the freaking video.
I know. And the camera goes bigger.
Way bigger. But it still went like really big. For us in real life.
That was giant.
I didn't even see yours.
It went off the table, way off the table.
Oh, it did. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Wait.
God.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Well, this would be his first big. Not even.
Okay, just
Let's just put it away.
No,
Well, probably why you can't make a bubble because it's drying out, and it needs moisture. Oh, mine's falling
just
off.
working.
See, mine's not even working now. Okay, ready? Last one. Okay. So close. Now crunch it. Just crunch it on this. Okay, now put it away. Stick it on this. Last one. This video has been 12 minutes long just doing this.
Why?
Is this too long of a video, guys?
Oh!
Just with slime. And I'll put it on.
Now 13. Guys, this is a fun video. Do you want to end it? Wrap it up?
Sure.
Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, like always, every day, bro. Like Jake Paul, he thinks he's the coolest guy in the world. So, the only thing I said, except Jake Paul, yeah,
Do not subscribe to Jake Paul, guys.
he tries to be cool.
Only Mr. Beast.
Yeah, Mr. Beast doesn't try to be cool. He just destroyed. Remember the one where he destroyed his sister's house?
Yeah, but then he got a whole bunch of better stuff. Oh, but he's actually a nice guy.
Yeah, so go subscribe to anybody you want, even us, because we try hard work. Yeah. So,
To make these
see you in
videos.
the next video.